Now, we've been reporting on this for over 2 years based on the research of Kevin McKernan and others who've been digging into this travesty. Well, now, the world's first peer reviewed paper confirms that Pfizer mRNA vaccine is contaminated with DNA and SV40. Here are some key points. The SV40 enhancer in the vaccine is considered extremely dangerous. During mass production, Pfizer used bacterial plasmid DNA, which led to contamination with spike protein genes, antibiotic resistance markers, and SV40 enhancers or promoters. The researchers found 4 to 5 times more DNA than the safe limit in the vaccines. The DNA fragments in the vaccine could integrate into the human genome due to the SV40 enhancer. Now, this whole article is vital to read in full. You can find it on Vigilant Fox's Substack, but I want to draw your attention to this explosive section. The researchers took these vaccine samples and injected them into some super strong kidney cells from an embryo, cells that are as tough as nails and hard to mess up. Then they sat back and watched all hell break loose as the cells reacted to whatever was in those vials. The cells produced spike protein, no surprise there. They even excreted it via exosomes, those tiny cellular messengers that could spread it body-wide. Dr. Razek flags it, quote, spike protein in the exosomes could be spreading throughout the entire body. Shedding anyone? But it gets worse. The vaccines were toxic to these hardy cells. Pathological changes popped up and the authors didn't shrug it off. Quote, this is actually perhaps not trivial. We should probably be testing how toxic these vaccines could be to the actual normal human cell lines. Toxicology studies, nothing, zip, zero. But the real gut punch is the DNA. Using 3 techniques, they found 4 to 5 times more DNA than the safe limit of 10 nanograms per dose. Think 40 to 50 nanograms of contamination. And it's not just floating harmlessly, it's tucked into those lipid nanoparticles ready to slip into your cells. Dr. Razek doesn't sugarcoat it. Quote, fragments of DNA that could potentially code for who knows what could run the risk of being able to integrate into the human genome. That's right, this could turn the jab into an accidental gene therapy experiment thanks to the SV40 enhancer, a viral promoter known to drag DNA into the nucleus. Again, the pharma fact checkers will claim that the SV40 enhancer is non-functional, but the paper below proves otherwise. Dr. Razek commenting on the author's statement, quote, Pfizer and BioNTech should be held accountable for exposing humanity to something so dangerous.